Change my shirt.
Go.
Okay.
She's doing the cinnamon challenge again.
You're putting this on Facebook, right? Oh,
I mean, any day. Back up, back up.
okay. Hey.
Come on, do it. Swallow it. Swallow it. Can I back up with the water? Swallow it. Don't give her the water. Don't. Let her do it. She could do it. She could have done it. She could have done it. No,
I'm about to blow up.
You see, you should have let her.
Told you.
Nasty.
Second time hits you harder.
She should have kept it.
Stay away with it from the water.
You done? Say bye.
I need more water.
Alright, say bye.
Don't do it. Ew. Okay, I need more water.